In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Miro board in just 5 minutes. Miro is a powerful online collaboration tool that allows teams to work together on a digital whiteboard. Sharing your Miro board is an essential skill if you're collaborating with others or want to showcase your work. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Miro website. You'll find the website URL typically at the top of your browser. If you haven't been to Miro before, it might prompt you to create an account. But here, we're assuming you already have one set up. Once you have the Miro homepage up, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see the login option there. Click on that button. This will take you to the login page. Now, when prompted, choose the Google option to log in. This allows you to use your existing Google account credentials, making the login process seamless. After selecting Google, you'll be directed to a familiar account selection page. Choose the account you wish to use to log into Miro. When you've successfully logged in, you're now in Miro's workspace where you can see your boards. Navigate to the specific board you want to share. If you know the name of the board, you can search for it using the search tool provided by Miro. Once you have your board in front of you, shift your attention once again to the top right of the screen. There, you'll find a Share button. It's usually quite prominent because Miro knows how important sharing is to user collaboration. Click on the Share button. This opens a window that allows you to manage your sharing options. Here, type in the email address of the person you want to invite to view or edit your board. Miro provides a clear field for this, and you can enter multiple email addresses if you're sharing with a group. Just make sure the emails are accurate to prevent any sharing errors. After entering the email address or addresses, look for the Send Invitation button and give it a click. This sends an invitation directly to the recipient's inboxes, allowing them to access your Miro board with the permissions you've set. Normally, Miro will give a confirmation that your invitation has been sent successfully. Finally, once that's done, you can simply click on Done to close the sharing window. It's as simple as that. You've successfully shared your Miro board with a few quick steps. This process is straightforward and ensures that your collaboration with colleagues, clients, or team members is smooth and efficient. With Miro's user-friendly interface, sharing becomes a hassle-free experience, helping you stay focused on the real work at hand. Thanks for following along, and happy collaborating.